everyone, welcome to VJ Education. Today I am going to explain about Charles Law. What is Charles Law? Charles Law is an experimental gas law. So it describes how the gases expands when we are heating. So how the volume is increasing, how the volume is directly proportional to its temperature. What is the definition of Charles Law? At a constant pressure, the volume of the gas is directly proportional to its temperature. So, today I am going to explain these all important concepts. This video is most informative video for 10th and inter students. So, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Okay students, today I am going to explain about Charles Law. For gas temperature and volume are directly proportional, keeping everything else constant. As the temperature of a gas goes up, its volume goes up. As the temperature of a gas goes down, its volume goes down. If you heat up a gas, it expands, the gas particles move faster and they take up more space. If you imagine a balloon that expands when gas particles bang against the sides. By expanding, that keeps the pressure constant. The faster the gas particles move, the more they will push on the sides of the balloon, expanding it. If, on the other hand, you cool the gas down, you put your balloon on ice. That slows the particles of gas down, the balloon will contract. Jacques Charles is credited with this gas law relating the temperature and volume. Although he did not publish it, he may have been too busy taking rides in hot air balloons. A colleague, Joseph Louis Gay-Lussac, published it and very honorably gave Charles credit. Charles Law say that for a given amount of gas at a fixed pressure, volume and temperature are directly proportional. So, V is directly proportional to T. You can write this mathematically as V equal to kT. When V equal to volume, T is temperature in Kelvin and K is a proportionality constant. We can rearrange this equation so it reads V by T equal to K, or the ratio of volume to temperature is a constant K. Very often, Charles Law is used to compare two situations, a before and an after. In that case, you can say V1 by T1 equal to K and V2 by T2 equal to K. So, you can write Charles Law as V1 by T1 equal to V2 by T2. Let's see an example. A hot air balloon has a volume. We will write Charles Law in the before and after form V1 by T1 equal to V2 by T2. We substitute in watt. We now remember to convert temperature to Kelvin. We can solve mathematically for V2. Multiply both sides by 353.15 Kelvin. So 353.15 Kelvin into 2800 meter cube by 372.15 Kelvin equal to V2. Then we calculate V2 equal to 2657 meter cube. Okay students, I will explain the remaining part in the next video. Thanks for watching. Till then, bye.